Imo, pangit ka.
Pangit ko?
Oh.
No, ayun man ka.
Pangit ka!
Sino naman isang pilig ng ito? Sige na!
Patay, sunog na ta.
Pangko, no?
Kanang duha ka pa.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, I'll never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always.
Ayan mga lods, magandang araw sa inyo. At hindi tayo naka-intro. Papunta lang kami dito kanina. Hindi tayo nag-intro. At ito si Janet, oh. Pulang-pula yung yung mukha niya. So, ang ginagawa natin ngayong araw ito, mga lods. Ito ginagawa natin. misa at saka itong upuan. Ano? Atin-atin lang 'to mga lods, oh, pang ano ba? Pang bukid lang. Sinasamahan namin si mama na magsaka dito sa sakahan nila. Kasi kay mama 'to mga lods, ayun kay mama. No, magtatanim tayo ng gulay dito pag may time tayo. So, dito kami nagluluto. Ayan, may cut tree pala. Ginawa natin to kahapon, tapos tinuloy natin ginawa kanina. Tapos ito, kulang ng pako. So, bibilihan pa to ng pako. Ito mga lods, oh. May upuan na. Walang upuan kasi dati dito, at saka walang misa, at saka walang cut tree. So, gagawa pa tayo ng kubo dito. Pag umulan, may kubo doon sabayaw ko mga lods, doon sa unahan. Doon sa unahan, isang lote. Sa unahan pa. Andun yung kubo. Pag umulan, pupunta kami doon. So, gagawa pa tayo ng kubo. Gagawan pa natin to ng kubo. Maganda na mga lods yung ang ilog. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Baka mamana na kami bukas mga lods. Kasi i-message ko mamaya si Master Nonoy at saka si Master Jonas. Ayan. So yun, babay na. Hanggang dito na lang yung video natin mga lods kasi mataas na. So babay na mga lods. Salamat sa suporta. Hindi muna tayo mag-shoutout mga lods. So babay na. Next time na lang. Bye-bye. Dito kami sa bukid. Ayan, si Jande. Bye-bye na. Andito si Romdi. Natutulog mga lods. Ayan. Ayan, natutulog. Natutulog ang bugoy. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified.